What if your AI could write in your voice, use real facts from your own files, and stop inventing details? That is what happens when you combine Google Gemini Gems with NotebookLM. Gemini Gems gives you the style, NotebookLM gives you the facts. Together, they become a free AI setup that writes faster, stays grounded, and follows your rules. Hey, if we haven't met already, welcome to RunPost MB. I'm the digital avatar of Mindaugas Bachulis. While he helps people achieve their goals, I bring you AI updates that actually matter. Share your thoughts. MB reads and replies to every comment. Here is the problem with most AI tools right now. If you ask them to write in your voice, they can sound good. The tone might be close and the structure might look clean. But then you check the details. You find numbers that were never in the source, statistics that sound confident but are not real, and claims that appear from nowhere. So you try the other direction. You upload your own files and tell the AI to stick to the facts. Now the information is safer, but the writing becomes flat. It gives you one big wall of text and you spend the next hour fixing the structure, formatting, and tone. So you end up choosing between two bad options: good writing with risky facts or accurate information that still needs heavy editing. That is exactly what this setup fixes. Gemini Gems handles the voice and format. NotebookLM handles the source material. One keeps the style consistent, the other keeps the facts grounded. When you connect them, you get an AI helper that knows your stuff and writes how you want. Let's start with Gemini Gems. A gem is a custom version of Gemini. Think of it like a smart helper that remembers your rules. You tell it who to be, what to do, what boundaries to follow, and how the answers should be structured. Then it keeps those instructions for future work so you do not have to repeat yourself every time. To make one, open Gemini, click Gems on the left side, go to My Gems, and create a new gem. You will see three boxes: name, description, and instructions. The name is just for you. The description helps you remember what the gem does. The instructions box is where the real value is. A simple way to write strong instructions is the PAC formula: persona, assignment, context, and template. Persona means who the AI should act as. For example, you are a friendly coach who helps business owners use AI to save time. Assignment is the job. For example, draft welcome emails for new members joining a school community. Context gives the rules. You can tell it to keep every email under 150 words, avoid boring filler, always end with one clear next step, and use a tone that feels warm but not too casual. Template defines the format: subject line, greeting, two short paragraphs, and one clear next step. Once you save that gem, you can ask for one welcome email or 50. Every answer follows the same structure. That matters because in a normal Gemini chat, instructions can fade after a few messages. The AI starts drifting. With a gem, your rules stay locked in. But gems have one weak spot. They are good at following your style, but when real facts from your files matter, they can still guess. They may paraphrase too loosely or fill in missing details with something that sounds right. That is where NotebookLM comes in. NotebookLM is built around your documents. You upload your sources, and the answers stay connected to those sources. So the combination works because NotebookLM keeps the facts true and Gemini Gems keeps the writing on point. The first system is content writing. Before this setup, content creation usually means researching in one place and writing in another. You read articles, pull stats, take notes, open a blank document, and stitch everything together manually. With NotebookLM, you create a new notebook and upload your sources. For example, you might add a report about AI tools for small businesses and a few blog posts about automation trends. Then you switch to deep research and ask NotebookLM to find more sources on how small business owners use AI automation to grow in 2026. When the research is ready, you import it into the notebook. Then you go to the studio panel, choose reports, and create your own research brief. Now you have a clean research base where claims are connected to real sources. After that, export the brief to Google Docs. This is where the gem takes over. Create a content writer gem with your voice, tone, structure, and formatting rules. The gem does not need one specific research topic inside it. It only holds your writing style so you can reuse it for any topic. Then in Google Docs, open the Gemini sidebar, turn on Drive Search, choose your content writer gem, and tell it where the research brief is. For example, you can ask it to read a brief called AI Automation Trends 2026 and write a 1,200-word blog post about how AI automation helps small business owners save time and get more leads. The gem reads the real research from Drive and turns it into content that follows your voice and structure. The whole process can take around 15 minutes instead of an hour. The second system is proposal writing. If you run a service business, every new lead usually means another proposal, and most proposals are not completely new. The services, case studies, timeline, and structure repeat from one document to the next. So instead of rebuilding that manually, create a business knowledge base in NotebookLM. Upload your service descriptions, case studies with real results, client examples, and anything else that defines how your business works. Then generate a clean reference document and save it to Google Drive. Next, create a proposal writer gem. This gem holds the proposal structure, how the opening should sound, how the scope should be explained, how timelines should be presented, and how case studies should be used. When a new lead comes in, open Google Docs, turn on Drive Search, choose the proposal writer gem, and give it the project context. Maybe the lead wants to add AI automation to their team. The timeline is 8 weeks, and they care about saving time and improving marketing results. The gem can pull from your real reference document, find relevant services and case studies, and draft a proposal with scope, timeline, and proof. Without NotebookLM, the AI might invent case studies. With the reference document, it works from real business material. The third system is customer support. This is where consistency really matters. Customers ask the same questions again and again: refunds, cancellations, shipping, subscriptions, account access. But every answer needs to match your actual policies and your brand voice. If one person says returns are 30 days and another says 14, that becomes a real problem. So you create a support knowledge base in NotebookLM. Upload your FAQ, return policy, shipping policy, subscription terms, and brand voice guide. Then generate a briefing document and a response guide by question type. After that, create a support helper gem. Now, when a customer message comes in, paste it into Google Docs, choose the gem, and let it search your Drive for the correct policy. If someone asks how to cancel a membership, the system can find the right cancellation rule and draft both a full email reply and a shorter chat version. The same setup can help with promo emails, social posts, or any repeated reply your team sends out. And because the rules and facts are centralized, new team members can become useful much faster. They do not need weeks to memorize every policy. The gem gives them a consistent starting point based on the same documents. If you want to try this, start with one system. Choose content writing, proposal writing, or customer support. Create one NotebookLM knowledge base with the real documents behind that workflow. Then create one Gemini gem using the pack formula: persona, assignment, context, and template. Once the first system works, the others become much easier to build. The goal is simple: stop wasting time on work a machine can prepare for you, and spend more time on work that actually grows your business. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for my channel Run Post MB so you don't miss AI updates that actually matter.